What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You've all seen the big news about ChatGPT, or whatever you want to call it, ChatGDP. This is a big AI movement right now in the space that's going to be taking over the social media marketing world. So if you are new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be going over how that AI software is going to change the game for social media marketers like myself and you and business owners forever. One of my friends, Jordan, texted me about a couple weeks back, and he was telling me about how he was able to type into this chat, GPT thing saying, hey, send me a bunch of hooks for credit repair companies. And this thing populated 15 marketing hooks for credit repair companies. And it's insane to me how this software, this AI knows like what a hook is, what a marketing hook even is, how to sell credit repair. It's pulling all this stuff from the internet, from Google search, from Yahoo, from Bing, all of these different blog posts and articles. As far as social media marketing is concerned, this is actually not going to make it obsolete. It's just gonna make it be easier for us to write copy, for us to write headlines for Facebook ads, for us to, maybe find like really good creatives for certain niches for our clients. It's gonna help us find things and get things done even faster. A lot of these AI things have already been prerequisited through like Zapier and Go High Level, Integromat, other softwares that social media marketers use to automate stuff. And that's mostly AI as well. But this AI is more in messaging and copy and in emotions and psychology as well, which is going to innovate the way that we do marketing forever. And ever since Facebook first came out, right, none of this stuff really existed, but the internet was first starting to come into fruition. Ads didn't have much compliance. All these things are evolving over just 10 years about that. And all these new platforms are out. TikTok has more data than any other social media platform. And now they're going to use AI to their advantage to now swipe data from our search results that they can now automate and obviously use AI to get more results in their algos or algorithms. It's changing the way that we do business. It's changing the way that we write copy and we connect with customers and we do all these things. It's very exciting. There's a lot of new nuances with this. Obviously, it just came out. It's first starting to hit market, but I would definitely keep a very close eye on it. AI is also, things like you'll see on live chats, right? On websites. They click a chat button and there's automated questions ready for them. They click a chat button and then there's, maybe a live person that's chatting through that small little bubble. Like there's new softwares that are always coming out. Another example of AI is when you get text messages through an abandoned cart. You go to an e-com store, you check out, but you don't complete. Those texts that are going through are all automated. And if robots can replace people, it's gonna help businesses cut their costs, have better margins, put more money into the economy, and be able to increase GDP in America and help us recover the economy. Now, you're probably wondering though, well, if it replaces all these jobs, how are we actually gonna have a better economy? Well, here's the problem. Not really a problem, but the issue is that baby boomers are on their way out. And there are some of the biggest reasons why Social Security is still here and Medicaid and all these other programs are still here for people to retire because they were older and that money that they made back then is not worth as much now. All these programs you're going to start to see slip away because they just can't fund the lifestyle of millennials and people who are enhancing technology because we just have higher spending powers. We have higher spending habits. And that's what the economy has seen from us. So just keep in mind that AI is great for social media marketing, but it might not be the best thing for society, okay? Because if we completely replace people, everybody's got to be a business owner, or you have to be efficient in, cybersecurity, which could also be replaced with AI. You got to be good at, obviously, sales. That's a good skill you can't really AI sales. Yes, you can run webinars and you can do all that, but talking to an individual will probably never be replaced. So if you want to learn a really high skill that won't be replaced by AI, that's being a sales rep or a sales consultant or sales manager, whatever the case may be. These are skill sets you have to start thinking about and really getting fruition into. AI is also replacing some media buying, but not all of it, because all brands still want that personal human touch to their advertising campaigns. They want that personalized touch to edits on their landing pages, copy, new offers, strategy, sales scripts, so many different things that AI can only replace so much because the human emotional touch will still be there and winning, but there might not be as high demand for those jobs. They'll probably just have more higher qualified people at higher pay rates, not have 5 people at lower pay rates. They're gonna look for more quality. And it kind of weans people out because if you're not good enough to beat an AI, odds are you just don't have the right intelligence level to be a KPI driven employee or a manager in a business or even run one. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I hope that gave you a little fresh perspective on AI and what it's doing to the business world and social media marketing in general. Please click the like button down below, comment your thoughts on AI and how it's affecting your business and what things you're looking to get into right now with AI to help you with your business. And also subscribe for more daily videos just like this. So click down below, subscribe. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.